Okay, so let's look at abhor, aerial, and alliteration. So abhor, verb, think something with disgust or dislike. Ugh, abhor, ugh. Not to like something. I abhor doing that. We abhor going there. No, thank you. Abhor it. Ugh. No, thank you. I abhor. Well, I don't. I abhor anything. Nothing. I'm happy. I am happy with most things. Really, really. Yeah. No, I don't abhor. I don't abhor anything. Yeah. An aerial. Adjectives. Being in the air. Look at that bird. It's aerial. It's gone aerial. The airplane is aerial. The plane was aerial The plane was aerial for an hour. We were aerial while we could. Or noun. A rod to receive a signal. So we have a house. House here. Very nice. A house. And there's a TV aerial here. And it receives a signal. Well, it receives a signal. An aerial. We need a TV aerial. How cool is that? And alliteration. This is a nice word. Noun, when the same letter or sound is used in a sentence. So, an Adrian Attitude. AAA. Very nice. Alliteration is a useful tool for writing. AAA. You could even say blue bananas. Bananas bounced back in the bag. B, 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 B. Nice. The cats were kicking cans. Cats were kicking cans. Now, even though it's a different letter, K and the C, it has the same sound. Kicking cans. Cats kicking cans. Makes sense. Blue bananas bounced back into the bag. B, 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 B. An Adrian Attitude. An Adrian Attitude. How cool is that? So abhor, something disgust or dislike. Ugh. Aerial, something being in the sky or an aerial rod to receive a signal. And alliteration, the same letter or sound. An Adrian Attitude. The cats were kicking cans. Blue bananas bounced back in the bag. Makes sense. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.